everybody, it's Miss Marie. And today for STEAM Thursday, I thought we would combine two things. One is something that is celebrated this month, which is poetry. This is National Poetry Month, all of April, and so we're going to read some poems, but these are special poems. These poems have something, they have the M part of STEAM in them. Does anybody know what the M part of STEAM is? Math. We don't do enough math on this program, and I love to do some fun math puzzles. And this book is so much fun, and this author has written a ton of books like this. It's called Math for All Seasons. It's by Greg Tan, and it's illustrated by Harry Briggs and published by Scholastic. And there's several different books that this author has written with math riddles and math poems in them. So I really want to do this one today because I really like it. Math for All Seasons, and it gives us creative ways to think about adding, and then if you're a little bit more advanced, multiplication as well. So I thought we would start with spring since that's the season that we're in. The first one I'm going to read is Bright Bulbs. Bright bulbs. Canals and bikes and windmills too, grassy fields and skies of blue. In Holland, spring's the time of year for pretty flowers far and near. How many tulips are in bloom? A clever tack you must assume. Mixing colors is the way to make a really smart bouquet. And so the hint, I think, is mixing colors. So we're not going to count across. We're going to maybe go this way and mix the colors. And here the little bug is telling you that you can find the answers at the end of the book. So just in case you're not sure, but I think that if we mix the colors this way, where we have all three colors, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 5 is a nice and easy number to add with and multiply with. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think that's the message there. If we mix those together and we make 3 bouquets of 5 flowers, how many would we have? Who knows how to count by 5s? Are you ready? 5, 10, 15. That was the fastest way to count those, was to make them into a bouquet. Nice. Pretty easy, right? Let's see. How about this one? Raining cats and frogs. I see umbrellas. That's another thing we need a lot of in the spring. They say it's raining cats and dogs. Why not lizards, snakes, and frogs? Next time the weather's getting wet, forget the forecast. Call a vet. Can we count the dots you see? Try to add them cleverly. Group them in a special way. Make sums of 10 this rainy day. Because 10s are also super easy to add together or multiply. So let's see. Well, if we combine these two umbrellas together, we have how many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's not a group of 10. What if we did this way, these two umbrellas together? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Aha! So that's 10. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, these ones are 10. So if we add 10 plus 10, what do we have? 20. Very good. 20 dots. You could count them separately too. Oh, this is cute. Look at these little chicks. Shell game. The sun is rising on the farm. Cows are stirring in the barn. The pigs are rolling in the muck. In the coop the chickens cluck. How many chicks have hatched today? Try to find a clever way to quickly count this chirping batch. Subtract the one that's yet to hatch. Ah, so we're not going to do addition this time. We're going to do subtraction, but don't be nervous. I think we can do it. Let's first see how many we had to start with. How many eggs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we know because those are grouped as 3s. 3, 6, 9. So if we have 9, but 1 has not hatched, how many have hatched? What's 9 minus 1? You can use your hands for this one too. We have 5 fingers and 4 fingers, that's 9. And then we take away 1, what do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Easter art. A canvas made of fragile shells, a palette filled with soft pastels. Each becomes a painted prize, a treasure in a child's eyes. Can you count each work of art? Here's a hint before you start. When it's paintings that you view, try to think in groups of 2. Well, that would be easy, except for here we have 3 eggs grouped together, and here we only have 1 egg grouped by itself. So how can we do this? Let's see. Well, we can already count, we can count the eggs that are grouped in 2s, right? We have 2, 4, 6, 8. That was easy, right? We still have these ones left to count. So let's do these together. 10, 12. Let's make sure we have it. Let's count them by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, I like that. I like that they tricked us by separating these out and making it a little harder. So I'm gonna do one more, and then we're going to practice and play a little bit by ourselves. Let's see. This is kind of springy. They have it in the summer, but we could do this for spring too. Not so dandy lions. These lions are a stubborn breed. There's never just a single weed. The trouble starts when they get loose. They catch a breeze and reproduce. How many plants are still in bloom? A perfect lawn, they're sure to doom. Count by 5s the plants you see, then subtract the seedy 3. Personally, I love dandelions, and I don't cut them down in my yard until they turn into these flower seeds, because then they spread too much. I like to leave a few of them for the bees, or at least that's what I tell myself. But let's see. It says, count by 5s the plants you see, then subtract the seedy 3. So that's how we're going to see how many plants are still in bloom. So let's see, count by 5s. Are these in 5s? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we have 5 and 5, which is 10. Very good. And now let's take away 3. 1, 2, 3. We can even do it with our hands. Are you ready? 10 minus 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. And let's count and make sure we're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We were right. 7 still in bloom. So anyway, that's just a really fun book. They go through all the seasons. And this author, as I said, has several different books. Let's see if they list them here. One is called The Grapes of Math. I know that for a fact. And there's definitely some other really fun books, and it's been a bestseller for a long time. So I'm going to turn the camera down and show you what I have. You will have to get some from your own house. I have a plate and some M&Ms. You don't have to use M&Ms. You could use other food if you like, or some toys like Legos. The main thing is to try to pick something that has either different colors or different shapes that you can group together, and you can practice counting in groups. I'm going to use the M&Ms. Now, if you do use food and you use clean hands, you can eat them afterwards, which I intend to. Now let's get some different colors in here. Let's start super simple, and we'll just do one of each color. Okay, so we have one of each color. That's easy. That's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors. All right, now let's pick 2 colors and group them together. I have some blues here and some oranges here, and I grouped them together in groups of 4 because I had 4 blue M&Ms right now. So if we did 4 plus 4, anybody know what that is? We can count them too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. Now let's add in 4 of a different color. I have 4 red ones here, so let's add in 4 red ones. All right, now how many do we have? 4 plus 4 plus 4 is, anybody know? 12. We had 8 and we added 4, that's 12. We can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We could also do it by 2s. Look at this. Let's go faster and do it by 2s, because 2s are easy to count by. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Very good. All right, now what else can we do? How other ways can we count these? Can we make them into groups of 10? Or I'm sorry, groups of 5? We can do that, and then that's easy to count. If you have a group of 5 and a group of 5, that is 10. 5, 10, and then we have 2 left over. That is 10 plus 2 is 12. See that? That's pretty neat. What if we added into, let's see, let's take out one of each color and do it by 3s. Yikes, okay. Maybe know how to do it by 3s. 3, 6, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What other ways can we do it? What if we moved 1 over here, 2 over here, and 1 over here? Oh, that's tricky because it's uneven now. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Does anybody know what 5 plus 4 is? 9. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you see there's so many fun ways you can combine these, and you can bring in, let's see, if I did 3s, I have 3 green ones. I can bring in 3 green ones. I can bring in 3 brown ones and come up with other ways to combine them. I don't know, let's see. Could we do 5s? Oh, I think I did it. Let's see, put this one in there. Make these look more the same. So I got 5, 10, 15, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So you see, it's a lot of fun, and I hope you enjoyed you can enjoy playing with your food or whatever other counting items you pick. You can use, like I said, Legos or something that comes in different colors, maybe even different shapes or types, and then you can sort them out. It's really fun to play with. And then I hope you enjoy this book or another book by this author. You can call the library or email me, and I will pick out a book like this for you because they're really, really fun. Enjoying poetry and math together on this STEAM Thursday in April. All right, I'll see you next week.